ako si Scott or Mr. CMT and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I would like to ask you to check out my playlist and click on Learning Filipino Words to watch all the videos about learning how to speak Tagalog. And before we start, please hit the subscribe button plus the notification bell to be updated every time I upload new videos. In this video, we will learn the most common questions Filipinos ask. So let's go! Let us first learn the words to use to ask questions or sa mga salita na ginagamit para magtanong. Ano or what? Sino or who? Bakit or why? Saan or where? Kailan or kelan? When? Papaano or how? Let us hit it! Remember, instead of saying the whole word like this first question, ano ang pangalan mo? Or what is your name? You can simply say, anong pangalan mo? Or pangalan mo, what is your name? Anong ginagawa mo? Or gawa mo, what are you doing? Anong oras na? Or oras na, what time is it? Ano ito? Or ano to? What is this? Ano yan? Or no yan? What is that? You can omit the article ang and replace it with nang or ng or just don't use it. Sino ang kasama mo? Or you can simply say, sino kasama mo? Or sino kasama mo? Who are you with? Sino siya? Or sino siya? Who is he or she? Sino ka? Who are you? Sino ito? Sino to? Who is this? Sino kayo? Who are you? This is used in plural form or to be used as a sign of respect. Let us proceed to bakit or why. Bakit ka nandito? Or ba't ka nandito? Why are you here? Bakit ka nandyan? Or ba't ka nandyan? Why are you there? Bakit ito? Ba't ito? Why this? Bakit iyan? Or ba't yan? Why that? Bakit siya? Or ba't siya? Why him or her? Now let's proceed to saan or where. Normally, when asking saan or where, this is accompanied by na to ask a question. But we are learning casual conversation here, so we will just use the word as it is. Like, nasaan ka or where are you? You can simply say, saan ka or san ka, where are you? Saan ito or san to, where is this? Saan ako or san ako, where am I? Saan yan or san yan, where is that? Saan ang ATM? Or saan ang ATM? Where is the ATM? Now, let's ask when. Kailan or kelan? Again, the simpler, the better. Kelan ang birthday mo? When is your birthday? Kelan alis mo? When are you leaving? Kelan uwi mo? When are you coming home? Kelan balik mo? When are you coming back? Now let's ask how or paano. Or paano? Paano na? Or paano na? How now? Paano ito? Or paano to? How can I do this? Or how about this? Paano makapunta diyan? Paano punta dyan? How can I get there? Paano aayusin to? Or paano ayusin to? How can I fix this? Paano gagamitin ito? Or paano gamitin to? How can I use this? We know that grammar is essential, especially when writing a formal letter. But hey, we need to learn how to communicate the fun and easy way, right? And again, this is only the casual way of asking in Tagalog. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. Have you subscribed yet? If not, Please do it now and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends or non-Filipino friends or non-Filipino family. Now for the tongue twister. Ano at saan ang lugar na ito? Paano at kailan ako pupunta? Sino ang kasama ko at bakit? Ano at saan ang lugar na ito? Paano at kailan ako pupunta? Sino ang kasama ko at bakit? Ano at saan ang lugar na ito? Paano at kailan ako pupunta? Sino ang kasama ko at bakit? Whew! Ready to give it a try? Hit it! Now for the tidbits and bonus about the Philippines. Did you know that the Philippines now has more than just 7,107 islands? According to National Mapping and Resource Information or NAMRIA, they have recently discovered unknown islands. Thus, the new number of islands has increased to 7,641 islands in the Philippines. Yes, 7,641 islands now as of 2019. Have you figured out what the picture is all about? Please write your answer in the comment section below. Don't worry, no answer is wrong, and please be it in Tagalog. Maraming salamat and I'll see you again in my next video.